Hi folks, my name is Nestor. I'm here with a special guest, the head of our product team, Kevin Hammond, and we're here with our beautiful 7-foot reversible folding bar. Now before we get started, Kevin has a magic trick he's going to show us. Wait for it. Aha! This is the world's only reversible folding bar. This side, this clean panel has a high pressure laminate finish, which is designed specifically for anyone, any company to add their company logo, special messaging. The special cling wraps that easily adhere to this high pressure laminate finish. Now you have a different event and voila. Now you've got this beautiful 3-panel finish on the front side. The tops are also made out of high pressure laminate, so is the center shelf. Obviously it's designed for heavy moisture usage, so drinks, condensation, etc. This is designed to handle all that moisture without a problem. The bottom of the bar is actually elevated from the ground. So in two ways. One, you have the corner posts, which are lower, and then the rest of the bar is elevated. There's always moisture around a bar, so we designed this so that all the moisture will flow underneath this bar. The corners themselves have rubber feet at the bottom, not only protect the bar, but also protect your flooring. So you can easily move this along and not destroy or damage your existing flooring or your client's flooring. Now we're going to flip this around and show you how we unassemble and how quickly it is to put this bar together. This is gravity locked with the frame itself, so all we have to do is lift, and we'll put this aside. We're going to come around. Look at these hinges. These aren't Mickey Mouse hinges. Commercial grade, heavy duty hinges. You have 1, 2, 3 hinges, 10 screws on each of these hinges. This is meant to last, to handle the weight, to handle all the use and abuse that a foldable bar will go through during its lifetime. So you see, so that's how this flips over. You can see it's got a hinge where this spins around. Again, everything here is designed commercial grade. And then we'll just lock it in place with these swivel locks. We'll lock that in place. 3 locks on the top, 3 swivel locks on the bottom. We'll put these in together. Get this one behind me. And bam, now your front panel is secure. Now to fold this away, Kevin and I will just fold the 2 legs. And now, obviously, we recommend getting one of our commercial carts so you can lift this up and place it on one of the carts to move it around from one location to the next. Putting it back together is really easy. Again, we'll just open the 2 walls. Kevin's gonna set his side first, then I'll put my side down, and then we'll slide it to the back. Boom. Look at the high pressure laminate that we use on this. Again, we know things are gonna spill on here. This protects all your shelvings from all that moisture. So this has a U finish here, and we're gonna have to swap places so that this U fits on the U of the bar. You'll feel it, it drops into place. Now this bar's secure. This will move around. Nothing's gonna come out of this bar. This is ready to party. Folks, get our exclusive 7-foot reversible folding bar today at Chivari.com.